Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video we are going to be cutting up the hood on the Lexus, and I seen a picture online of a hood that they sell for like 600 or so plus $200 shipping or something like that, and it's pretty much just three of these, but they're closer together, and they cut it and then roll it down, but they fill it in on the sides and they keep it closer together. But from my point of view, I'm gonna space it. I'm gonna follow the tape spacing and just cut down and cut the bottom and just bend it in. That way that'll give us some strength right here to hold the metal. It won't be so flappy, because I'm not gonna weld the sides in at all. I'm just gonna leave it like that because it is a drift car. Eventually I'm probably will get a new hood for it, but for now I wanted to be able to look nicer. It'll have like that aero look to it, plus to help keep the engine cool when you're revving the shit out of it out there. So I'm gonna get to that right now, and pretty much this is how it looks. I was gonna start it before I put the gradient, but I really didn't know how I was gonna start it. I didn't know, it took me a minute to figure out the measure, where I was gonna measure from and all this and that, but we got it taken care of, and we're gonna get started. So yeah, I was gonna record from like the start before I put the tape on, and where I measured and all that, but it's pretty straightforward. Just pick an edge to measure from, and mark your lines and just copy it this side to that side and do the same thing. As you can see, we did a couple times until we got it right. We got it perfect. Over there was a couple times it was a little crooked, and this was all before I put the tape down. And then finally, when I got my corners pretty much all perfected, like that on each side, then went ahead and taped it, and this is where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a time lapse, and you guys can see how I do it.
Abdul got them keys.
Nico playing them keys.
AJ, I ain't know you could cook up like that.
don't need that. Now we gotta cut this out, pretty much the shell around wherever we're at. So I'll probably cut just around here and just go straight down with it.